Resting high to capture breathtaking views from Fremantle to Hillary's Marina and across to Rottnest. Enjoy the panorama whilst watching the flotilla of boats sail away. This 3-level home accommodates 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, study, 4-car garage and multiple living areas. A curvaceous staircase is an entrance statement, leading us up towards the theatre room, where your favourite show is viewed on the big screen. There's plenty of room in the kitchen with enormous storage pantries behind gloss cabinetry, a choice of cooking options and easy care surfaces. Backdrop views highlight the dining and family rooms which spill out onto the wraparound terraced balcony. This area is big enough for large crowds to gather and feast on a casual barbecue and contemplate a swim in the pool. Outside is a sun-soaked place to take a dip. Car enthusiasts and sports-minded have respective spaces. Up top, all the queen bedrooms flow onto the balcony, the master offering a walk-in robe, a luxurious ensuite renovated to sleek modern perfection. The freestanding bath enjoys centre stage. A well-established residence in a cul-de-sac position amongst lush green gardens.